Okay, on this one here, somebody asked me here, what about if you cannot force somebody into the wall? What should you do? The best way to do is sweep his damn leg and then attack him on his back to make sure he's not going to get up again. Let me show you here, basically, so you need to know what to do. So the idea is the same. You got to hurt them first, okay? So basically, you got to hurt them. The hand have to come in to hurt them. Onto the arm, onto the leg, and then the feet here, like this. So it should be down, and then straight away on the back of that. So that will come in now. And then keep an eye. If you got anybody coming in, you can straight to the neck like that if you need to. So keep an eye like that, so you can dealing with anybody come along. So the most important thing you need to learn to understand is learn to control the movement quickly. So how to control the movement here? Anybody come in? Anybody come in here? Any more? Okay, think of that. You like what you see onto the action, onto the movement there? Take this course. Come inside here, and I got all the lesson ready to help you to learn all the things you need to learn onto the training side. I will see you inside.